Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to search by image now. First, open the Pinterest app or website and sign in. Using the app gives better visual tools. Make sure Pinterest can access your camera or photos so you can upload or snap a picture. Next, tap the search bar or the camera icon inside it to launch visual search. Choose the image you want, either take a photo, upload a screenshot, or open an existing pin. This starts the image analysis step that finds visually similar pins. Once the image is analyzed, refine what you see. Drag the crop box to isolate the subject. Pinterest prioritizes the selected area, so precise cropping improves output. Then combine a short keyword with the image if you want a specific style, era, or color. This reduces irrelevant matches. Use built-in filters like color, orientation, or boards to narrow results further. Make sure to scroll. Similar pins load continuously, and saving a few good matches trains your taste and surfaces closer recommendations. Finish by saving useful results to a dedicated board so you can compare or act later. You can also run visual search again on any saved pin to explore variations, or export the image to other reverse image services when you need source attribution. If visual search returns poor matches, try troubleshooting. Resize or crop the photo to emphasize the subject. Update Pinterest to the latest version, or clear cache and retry. These quick fixes usually restore accurate detection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.